Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about collections in Power Apps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Apps, collections are a group of items, right? In Power Apps, you can create collections by using ClearCollect and collect functions. Right, so we will learn about these functions in today's video. So first of all, what I will do is I will drag a button, right, and on the select property of this button I will use the collect function, and in this case I will name the collection name, let's say employee data, and the second parameter is going to take the items that we are trying to add in the collection, right? So let's say first name, and then last name, and the third value is going to be the age, which is 40, right? And if I want to add more than one item, so I can just copy it, I can add the comma and then specify the next item. So let's say this time it will be 35, it will be stock, and here I can put as Mike, right? And so here I can name it as collect. So this is going to create a collection, and to show the data I will just drag this label action. The label control will show me the value of the collection, correct? So I will just, first of all I will press alt key and press it, correct? So collection is created now. I can go to the data source, and here you can see that employee data collection is available. What if I want to get the name of the employee, right? So what I can do is I can, in the text property, I can specify the collection name, which is employee data, and then I can specify the property, for example first name, right? Because this is a table, so what I can do is I can say first and then employee table, and after this I can specify the property which I want to show. So now I can get the name of the employee. What if I want to get the last name, right? So I can get the last name of the first first row, correct? What if I want to show all the data available in the you know in the collection, correct? So I can go to this add controls, and then I can go to the layout, I can drag the vertical gallery, right? In the gallery you can show the data of the collection or of the table or any data source, right? So I can go here in the data source, I can specify the employee data, and here you can see that you are able to see all the data available in the collection, correct? There is another function which is named as ClearCollect. So to show that one, I will add another button. I will name it as ClearCollect. Let's rename it. And this function is going to take two parameters. One is the name of the collection, so I named the employee data, and then in the same way I'm going to specify the data in this you know in the curly bracket. So first name, let's say Mark. The function name is ClearCollect. That is why it was giving warning to me. And here I can say last name, and here I can specify the grade of the employee. So let's say I can say B1, correct? If I want to add another record in this collection, I can just put a comma, and in the single pair of curly bracket I can specify the record value, right? So let's say John, and this one can say snow, and here I can give the grade as B2, correct? So when the clear collect function is invoked, so what happens is it clears the data from the collection and again adds all the record, right? So if I give the if I specify the data source what I have specified in this one, data source name, so it will show, the gallery will show the data related to the clear collect function. So let's change the name of the collection. Let's keep it as employee data 1, right? And I'll press alt key so that I can click on this button. So I have clicked it. Now if I go to data source, you will see that I have another collection created which is named as employee data 1. As of now it is showing me the data related to to the employee data collection, but if I want to change it, I will go to the data source and I will select another collection which is named as employee data 1, correct? This time it is showing this Mark Johnson and John Snow, and if I go to the fields, I will be able to specify the fields, right? So if you want to change the layout of this gallery, you can go to the layout and here you can change it, right? So if you want to keep it as title and subtitle, you can just select that one, and title and subtitle will be applied on this one. And then if you want to change the fields, you can go here and you can say that okay, subtitle is going to be the last name and then first name, right? So this is how your data will look like. And every time, for example, if I play this application, right, so if I say collect, it will not show anything in this gallery because I have not specified that data source to be the data source for this gallery. But if I click on clear collect, every time it will clear the data from the collection and it will show in the gallery. There is another function which is named as clear. So what that does is it will just clear the record from the collection. So I'll rename this button which is named as I'll change the text of this button which is clear, right? And here I will go and here I'll say that clear. So this is function, and what collection I want to clear, I'll just clear the employee data. Now if I play this application and I click on clear, it has cleared all the data. Now if I click on clear collect, I will be able to see the data which has been added in that collection. If I again click on clear, it will remove the data. Connect. So now if I exit this and go to, or let's do one thing, play again and clear the collection, right? So it has cleared the data from the collection, it has cleared the record from the collection, but does it mean that it has deleted that collection? Okay, so if I go to the data source, here you will see that it did not delete the collection, it only cleared the record from the collection. So if you use clear function, it will just remove all the records from the collection. So this is how you can use the collection in the Power Apps. In the next video, I will show some use cases related to the collection. So please stay tuned and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.